Hello, I'm Justin with Aristatek, and today I'm going to show you how to use the help function in Tier2Submit to find chemical reporting information. There are many other topics, but the focus for this video is to help you find your chemicals on the EHS list. Click on the help topic in the right corner of the window. A drop-down list should appear. Select Open Tier2Submit Help Topics. Select the appropriate topic from the table of contents. To search for chemical reporting data, go to Entering Data. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select what chemicals should be reported. Under the second header, what are the reporting thresholds for each chemical, you can find the EPA's list of each EHS. Select this and it will take you to a large document that you can search for your chemicals. From this point, use the Control F search function. This means hold the Control key and press F to search the page for your chemical name. You must have the correct name and spelling, though you do not need to spell all of the name to find your chemical. Once there are few enough hits indicated by yellow dashes on the scroll bar, hit Enter until you see your chemical. Reporting quantities and planning thresholds appear on the right side of the window at the scroll bar. Thank you. Have a nice day.